moves the pallet over here, and then builds the Jenga tower. Numerous issues with this program, mainly due to the dual gripper, access limits galore, configuration, just because it's offset by 90. The other problem I had too is I can't actually run an auto because we're violating the fence in a couple areas. So we're just going to use a teach pennant and run auto here. So the easiest way to get around most of the stuff with the access limit error is just by adding extra points in. As you can see, it didn't go straight over. It would hit a configuration error in one area. It would hit an access limit 2 in the same thing. I originally tried to move the blocks over here and then rotate them 90 degrees, but I couldn't get a full 90 degrees of rotation before hitting access limit errors, so I did it when putting it down. So that alleviated that error. Towards the back end here, it's actually within 5 millimeters of hitting access limit errors again on the second row blocks. So you'll notice when it goes in for the next row, it gets in pretty close when it rotates them. It turns on the lights anytime it picks up a block. With the vacuum gripper, it turns on the amber light. With the finger grippers, it turns on the white light. When it's in the building mode, it turns on the blue light, and then when it goes to actually put the towers together, it turns on the green light. And here's where everything gets really close. Now it does go to the same spot almost all the time, but it uses offsets before it actually comes and puts the block down. So, almost all this program uses offsets for almost everything. Offsets going in, offsets coming back out, offsets when putting it down. And that should be the end of the loading part. Now it goes to move the pallet. Added a couple extra points in here just to get the pallet up out of the way of all the equipment and everything just sitting around. Good thing is, I actually did teach the robot how to pick up after itself, so it does put the pallet cores back. And that is the exact same point it did pick it up from, so minus 1 millimeter off. No, it didn't crash the pallet back into the fixture. Originally, it was supposed to rotate these 90 degrees moving over, but since I did it, now all I have to do is just move it straight over. It's been an extremely repeatable program. The only thing is, you'll notice on the cheater blocks I set up there, you can notice they're off by about a half a millimeter to a millimeter versus where they used to be. Which all that starts is off the initial fixture. And that's it.